So on this day, I decided that tomato stew was going to have a break. And so I decided to make the sausage sauce that everyone liked. So in today's video, I want to show you how I did it. So without any further ado, let's do it together. Because I was in a hurry, I chopped all the vegetables off camera. I also cut the sausages to my preferred shape. You can cut to any shape of your choice. Now let's begin with the sausage. Firstly, I went in with a little bit of sesame oil. Then I introduced a bit of margarine. Then stirred together until everything was dissolved. I would then have to fry the sausage until the both side turns brown. Then I will remove it and set it aside and then fry the next batch until everything is completely fried. I'll then remove it and set them aside for later use. If you're new to this channel, I want to give a big shout out to you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming on board today. This is 426 Kitchen, and this is a place we use little ingredients to make great dishes. And if those interest you, right, subscribe to the channel and turn on all your bell notifications so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I appreciate you. Into the same pan, I introduced a bit more sesame oil. I then introduced margarine, and when they were dissolved, I introduced garlic and ginger. I then introduce diced onions. I will properly stir these until they are combined, and I will fry for 1 minute before I will introduce the carrot. This is a very quick sauce. You have to prep every ingredient that you'll be using for the sauce before you start stir fry. By so doing, you will not have to put off the heat while you prepare the next vegetable. So that's what I do, and it makes life a bit more easier for me. So I'm going to toss the carrot into the oil and allow it to fry for 1 minute. After that, I'm going to introduce the red, yellow, and green bell pepper. Now I'm not gonna fry this carrot for a long time to enable it retain its crunchiness. So here I introduce the bell peppers and I will stir together to combine. And after stirring, I'll introduce seasoning. Any seasoning of choice is perfect for this vegetable sauce. If you've watched up until this time and you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do well to subscribe, turn on all your bell notifications so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now I introduce pepper. I love heat in my food. If you don't, by all means avoid this part. I will then stir together to combine, and it will be time to introduce the thickener. And for the thickener, I use cornstarch and water. I introduce the mixture into the vegetable, and then I will stir properly to make sure that it has thickened up the sauce. All right, it will give it a texture that makes you feel like you're having something with stew, but this time in a different form and with a different taste. So here I introduce a little bit of dark soy sauce. If you have light soy sauce, you can use it. So I introduce a bit dark soy sauce, and I will stir right here to make sure that everything is properly combined and the sauce is on its way to getting ready. If you're tired of vegetable stew, I think this is an alternative for you. So right here, I will introduce the sausages I fried earlier, and then I will stir together to combine, and the sauce is ready. Let me know what you would have done differently with every ingredient you've seen here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, I think this is the right time for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Also share this video, give it a thumbs up, right? By so doing, the algorithm will know that there's something valuable we're doing here. Share to your friends, okay? Thank you. And here I introduce a bit, just one crushed seasoning, and I will stir together to combine, and the sauce is ready. And this is the outcome. If you want it a little bit loose, you can just introduce a bit more water, make it to the way you love. And it's ready here. What will you be pairing with this? We paired this with white rice and it came out very nice. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next video. Do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.